In the final part of our autumn leaves tutorial, what I'm going to do is to make these leaves look like they're falling behind the foreground leaves. And to do that, I need to turn them off for the moment, target the background layer, grab the magic wand, and holding shift, I'm going to keep clicking until I've added as much of the foreground orange leaves to the selection as I can. And that'll take a few clicks, but it'll be a fairly easy job just to make a selection like this. There's a bit I've missed there, so just click and click again, and that's a fairly rough and ready, but as you'll see in a second, quite effective selection. Now to turn that into a mask, what I'm going to do is click here to create a levels adjustment layer, click OK, and there we can see we've got a black and white mask based on the selection. Turn the leaves back on, and you'll notice that we need to clip the mask to the leaf layer, and to do that, move between the two, holding Alt, and you can see a clipping group icon appears. Just click when you see that, and it clips the mask to the leaves. And now if we grab the move tool, you can see that the falling leaves are actually doing the wrong thing. They're falling in front of the foreground leaves. So to make that do the opposite, target the mask, Control and I to invert the mask, and now what we can do is move the leaves around, and they're falling behind the foreground leaves. Now I've got a very crude and hard-edged mask, so what we need to do is soften it, and to do that just click on levels 1 on the mask itself, go to filter and choose a blur, a Gaussian blur. A value of 14 pixels should do the trick. If I just click here, you can see what that's doing is softening the edge of our mask. There's no sharp line anymore. Click OK, and we now have a much softer blend. Let me just Control plus to zoom in, and we can see we still have a problem area just on this leaf here. So what we can do is target the mask, grab a black brush tool, scale that down a little bit using the left square bracket, and then just click and spray just to replace that little hole we had in the leaf, like so. So masks are great, they're non-destructive, and they can fix anything that you like at any time. Okay, hit tab to get rid of the floating windows, press Z for the zoom tool, fit screen, and there's our finished autumnal portrait.